Hey guys, my name is Antonio Lemigidis. I'm the CEO of Solvent Global, and I just want to take a second here to show you something cool that we've been working on in terms of our data sets and how we're utilizing them to serve our current clientele. We've got an example here of a prototype project that we've been building out for one of our flagship products here, which is essentially a data visualization tool and a context informational tool for companies and hedge funds and also KYC compliance. So what we've got here is a demo set of data, in this case just Delaware data that I've uploaded into my servers here, and have overlaid it on a Google Earth map like this. So what we can do here is we can actually scroll directly into this cluster and it will pair up into specific informational points. So we can go directly down into satellite data here and pick a specific person and click to see their information. So directly here we can see all the main information. We can see their birth date, how old they are, their demographics, etc. All this information is incredibly useful for banks trying to verify, as well as businesses trying to verify information for any of their uses here. We've also taken we've also experimented with adding language learning models so that individuals can integrate with natural language to it. So what I've done here is I've added this side, which is a simple LLM here from Hugging Face, which is open source. We've integrated it with our data set so that it has access to that. So what we can do is ask in natural language here. Let's say if I'm looking for a specific person, I'll say, where is Rebecca Varley, and it'll go ahead and find that specific individual right here, and it'll automatically find their specific address, their phone number, their birth date, their age, their demographic information, like if they're Republican or Democrat, etc. Down here in household property, we can see how much their house is worth, their square footage, etc. If they're currently voting, what if they're Democratic, Republican, if they have a credit score, what that credit score is, etc. So we have lots of data that we're visualizing here directly in our interface, and then we're obtaining that interface, and then we're just directly overlaying it on top of one another. And the goal here is eventually to obtain clientele from government contracts where they can upload their own information into systems like this and parse the information effectively like this with our models and our proprietary technology, so that they can have these visualization tools in a very easy searchable interface to get the information they need. They can also search by streets, by addresses, by cities, by countries, by person. And then we're also working on that LLM here. So in this case, I'm saying, where is Rebecca? It's found Rebecca right here on the map, and it displayed it right there. With also two other potential matches, because there might be duplicates as well. So we can then clarify saying, no, I'm looking for that Rebecca in Delaware, and therefore here's the Rebecca that I'm looking for, or that my Rebecca is 73 years of age, and then it'll go ahead and find said information, and then, or 54 years of age, and it'll go ahead and find that specific individual, right? So that's something cool that we're working on here. We're planning at expanding all of our data sets to the entire United States. We already have data sets for the entire US, but we're also planning on expanding to Europe, to Oceania, to Saudi Arabia, and to wherever else as well, depending on the contracts that we obtain with institutions and clienteles globally. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys an example of what we're looking at. It's pretty cool. And hopefully you guys can give me some interesting commentary on what you think about this, what the security concerns are for this, and how I can potentially improve this in future. Thanks.